Hello and welcome to another refreshing episode of You Were There, where we bring you stories of individuals and communities you have touched through your partnership with the Christian Broadcasting Network. Thank you for being here. Our first piece today shows us the importance of clean drinking water in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Take a look.
Revitalizing, renewing, refreshing are some of the phrases that are used to describe this priceless gift of God, water. It has many uses and applications. No one can do without this resource.
If I'm thirsty, I have to take water instead of taking cold drinks and the rest of them, which are not healthy for the body. I go for water, which is very important. It helps to cleanse your system.
You use water to bathe, to brush your teeth.
Of all the established uses of water, its application in quenching thirst seems to be the most universal and needful.
When you don't drink enough water, your cells can't function properly. So you need to drink lots of water and also eat foods that contain water to help your body function properly.
While the use of water is universal, quite a large number of people do not have access to clean, potable water, especially in the rural areas.
Even this one we are fishing like this, it's not good to drink, but we'll fish here and wash and cook.
With the ever-rising influx of packaged water into the market, more and more people are faced with a dilemma of determining which is best or otherwise.
Sometimes I drink bottled water. Sometimes I drink sachet water.
Actually, I take the sachet water.
I drink tap water, but I purify it myself through boiling.
Water could be contaminated by microorganisms and also by the cysts of some parasitic organisms. So when you drink water that is infected, you are prone to these diseases. The very common ones are like cholera, and then what we call salmonellosis, which is commonly known as typhoid fever, and also, gastroenteritis, which just means an infection of the digestive system, okay? And if not properly treated, it can actually lead to death.
Water indeed is life, with tested and trusted benefits. But the wrong kind of water can cause pain and disease. So, drink wisely.
How drinkable is your drinking water? We do need to pay attention to the purity of the water we drink. But the people in Kwatama, Nasarawa State didn't have the luxury of choosing until you came along.
Every trip comes with its unique spice of adventure. And this time, it's a visit to the people of Kwatama, a community in Karo local government area of Nasarawa State. For many decades, the people of Kwatama have suffered the effects of using dirty water. Mr. Johnson Akinkumi, a partner with the Christian Broadcasting Network, came to their aid by digging a borewell in their community. Today, Reverend John Kalma, the head of CBN's humanitarian team, leads the dedication of the new water source. It was indeed a memorable day for the people of Kwatama. The villagers had been touched in the most remarkable of ways as they had received a gift they desperately needed.
I am very happy because you gave us clean water. Thank you very much.
I am very happy because I'm about to leave the suffering of going to the stream to fetch water and drinking dirty water. God bless you.
The chief of Kwatama expressed his gratitude as he addresses Reverend Kalma as one of them.
I want to say a very big thank you to the people who have provided this water source. I am very glad. Thank you.
the happy smiles? Thank you, partners, for restoring health and joy to the people of Kwatama. We'll go on a break now, and when we return, another story of restored hope.
From tough terrains to deep waters, bringing hope and laughter to homes and communities. Thank you, CBN partners, for helping Martha, who was almost going blind as a result of cooking over smoky fires. She had no hope for a better life until CBN gave her a pair of glasses and a brand new business. Now she can look forward to a bright future. The people of Bukinriga village are also grateful to CBN for digging a brand new water well right at the center of their village. Now, the days of lack are over. Thank you, CBN partners, for putting smiles on people's faces.
I'm Ekere Ufumamowo. My family and I joined the 700 Club a couple of years ago.
My name is Dr. Sakimbi, and I'm a member of 700 Club.
My name is Tona Adaba. I'm a member of 700 Club.
I'm Babatunde Oladapo. I joined the 700 Club in 2014.
I am Pastor Rabi Ibrahim. I joined 700 Club in 2007.
The need to reach the unreached with the Word of God and to give potable water to rural communities and to put smiles on the faces of widows and orphans in those communities drove us to join the 700 Club.
I'm so glad I joined 700 Club, and I'm going to remain a partner because helping the less privileged is one of my passions and my drive.
I love being a member of 700 Club because I love putting smiles on people's faces.
My major motivation for joining the 700 Club is the opportunity to touch lives. And whenever I see smiles on people, it gives me satisfaction.
So many souls have been touched. The downtrodden, the wretched, hopeless became hopeful. Testimonies here and there. It's actually wonderful to be a part of Christian Broadcasting Network, more especially as a 700 Club partner.
Welcome back. Glad to know you're still with us. Thank you, dear partners, for providing clean, drinkable water to the people of Kwatama. Now they can strike out bad water from their list of worries. You made it happen for Kwatama, but you didn't stop there. Angela is the next life you saved. That's next.
16-year-old Angela walks excitedly to school with her friends every morning. But when she gets there, all the excitement wears off and she can hardly keep her eyes open.
I used to wake up early in the morning and go to the stream to fetch water before I came back. When I come back, I come and sweep the compound, wash the cooking utensils, then prepare breakfast for myself and my junior sisters and brothers. I walk 2 miles from this place to my school.
This is Angela's mom, Victoria. She has had many troubled days herself. Her youngest son, Josedek, was constantly ill, and because she had to spend so much time caring for him, her business suffered.
My children had dysentery, and my son was critically ill. He was admitted and lost consciousness for 2 days.
Chief Joseph is the chief of Untunkum village in the eastern region of Ghana. His people are a hard-working, peaceful lot, but there was one thing Chief Joseph could not do for them.
The villagers had to walk to a dirty stream, which was about 3 miles, to get water for their families. This dirty water was used for drinking, bathing, and cooking. We suffered very much.
When Operation Blessing heard about the plight of the people of Untunkum, they decided to do something about it. With the donation of one 700 Club partner, they were able to drill not just 1, but 3 bore wells in the village. The results were tremendous. Angela no longer has to walk many miles to the stream every morning. She was able to study hard and was the first student in her village to pass her junior secondary examinations and move on to senior secondary school.
Thank you, Operation Blessing, because of what people have done for us. Since we had this water in our village, my life has always been comfortable. Thank you.
Victoria now has happy, healthy children, and can concentrate on her business. And Josedek, he's as fit as a fiddle and has hardly been ill since then.
Thank you, Obi, for the good water. I'm no longer afraid for my children. Their diseases are gone.
And Chief Joseph is grateful that at last, his people have fresh, clean water.
We are very grateful for this help. We truly appreciate it. Now my people have a reason to rejoice and we will be free from diseases. We are really grateful.
Because of the gifts of one CBN partner, an entire village is eternally grateful. You too can make the same happen. Join the 700 Club today.
What a beautiful start for Angela and the people of Ntukun village. A very big thank you to all our partners around the world. Up next, we meet one of these extraordinary people who make it their life's work to transform other lives. Take a look.
My name is Patrick Otoro. I am a theater director, actor, and producer. I'm also a communicator, by the way. The one thing that keeps me going, really, is creativity. I just love anything creative. I'm not a regular person, so I love to do things kind of differently. I like colors, I like variety. That's why drama for me stands out in life, really. And I'm also a partner with 700 Club. I love the community works CBN does. There was this community CBN visited. They gave them borehole. I saw the faces of the people in that community. You could see sheer joy. When I see those pictures and I see what CBN is doing to alleviate the pain and the sufferings of those people, I cannot but thank God that my little support is helping to meet somebody and take them out of pain, to take them out of sickness, take them out of poverty, feed them. And amazingly, it's not about how much, no matter how little it is, just give it. Join CBN today and be a partner.
Thank you, Patrick Otoro, for looking beyond yourself to be a blessing. Just like Patrick, you can also partner with the Christian Broadcasting Network and be a part of this cause. With as little as 1,000 Naira or as much as 84,000 Naira monthly, someone out there will get access to health care for free. Widows will be empowered. Orphans will be sheltered. Clean drinking water will be given to communities that lack it. If you want to start this process, kindly log on to our website or call any of the numbers on your screen. We'll be excited to hear from you. After the break, the stories of transformation continue.
From tough terrains to deep waters, bringing hope and laughter to homes and communities. Thank you, CBN partners, for helping Martha, who was almost going blind as a result of cooking over smoky fires. She had no hope for a better life until CBN gave her a pair of glasses and a brand new business. Now she can look forward to a bright future. The people of Buckinriga village are also grateful to CBN for digging a brand new water well right at the center of their village. Now, the days of lack are over. Thank you, CBN partners, for putting smiles on people's faces.
I'm a medical doctor. I'm a general practitioner as well. I see this as a means of reaching out to the lost, to the needy, to the poor, especially as we're in a rural area like this. There are a lot of poor and needy ones that may not be able to afford going to hospitals.
There's no way I can be in a hospital and reach about 200 people. It's not possible in 5 days for me to see 200 people with different kind of cases. It's just not possible. But with CBN, I've been able to do that. I've learned more, been able to improvise, done more of tropical medicine, more than what one would have expected anywhere. And above all, I've seen lives being changed.
I'm an optometrist, and basically we are to manage eye conditions. I didn't come here because of any in quotes, any benefit I'm going to get from it. I just came because I felt it's time I should do something to society.
I want to encourage those undergoing training, male and female, whoever you may be, as long as you're in the medical field, doctors, nurses, you are needed here because there are a lot of people to be reached. And the more we are, the more people we can cover.
Everybody from every sphere of life should use their skills to serve God by reaching out to people.
I want to say a big thank you to the organizers for creating this kind of platform for us to be able to reach out to the lost, because on our own we may not be able to reach out to so many, especially in this setting. But with this kind of platform, we can reach out to them effortlessly.
Thank God for the level of cooperation we have received from our volunteers. They have really shown love and commitment to this cause.
If you're just joining us, this is You Were There, a program that brings to your doorstep the change CBN partners are creating in the lives of individuals and communities around the world. This next story is proof of that.
In Karamoja, Uganda, water is life. Tokay lives here with her family. Her first task of the day is always the same: finding water. When I met her, she took me to a nearby swamp.
We drink this swamp water because there is no better alternative. My whole family is constantly sick with coughing and diarrhea. We know it is because of the water.
For 4 months out of the year, Tokay would come here to this low swamp and collect water. As you can see, the water is filthy and shared with cattle. But for the other 8 months of the year, it was even harder.
When the swamp is dry, it takes me up to 8 hours every day to walk to the hand pump of a shallow well. It leaves me with no time to cook or to do anything else. Sometimes I see worms in the water, and as soon as we drink it, we become very sick. I cried out to God to save us from this torment.
When CBN teamed up with Innovation Africa and drilled 4 wells in the area, we provided more than 10,000 people with fresh, clean water.
God heard us all crying for help. When the drilling trucks came and struck water, it was the happiest moment of my life. We were all jumping and dancing.
With water so close, Tokay's days are now very different.
I can prepare meals and spend more time with my family. I know this water is clean and safe because from that day until now, my children haven't fallen sick once. Every day I pray, God will increase the blessings of the people who helped us so they can continue to help others.
Every day, I pray God will increase the blessings of the people who helped us so they can continue to help others. What a heartfelt prayer from a grateful heart. Thank you, partners, for giving again and again. With one love gift, Tokay and her family got the chance for a new beginning. You can now follow us on our social media handles at 700clubpartners_NG. Send your messages, like our stories, and check out what's new on our different programs. The 700 Club Nigeria, Living the Life, One Cube Niger, Heart to Heart, Turning Point, and of course, You Were There. Let's take a look at some of the recent comments on our Facebook page.
children danced for joy. You were there when the doctors came and saved their little boy. You were there to speak the truth, send the gospel near and far. You were there to change their lives right from where you are.
Thank you, CBN partners, for making a difference around the world. Your gift of love has changed life and eternity for millions.
When hurting hearts reach out and cry, does anybody care? You were the one who brought the gift. Thank God that you were there.
And with that, we've come to the end of today's episode. Hope we made you smile and inspired you to be the reason others can smile. Until we come your way next week, it's goodbye from all of us.